Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and learners, I would like to say welcome in today's lecture. You know very well we have reached at unit number 13 and today it is our lecture 2. So let's move to the board. Yes, this is unit number 13, Harnessing the Power of Social Media. Our today's competence is vocabulary and grammar. This is lecture number 2. So dear learners, you know very well we have reached at the SLO. First, we try to learn and try to dissect this SLO, and then we will be able to do with it. Yes, let's come to the board and try to understand. Use dictionary thesaurus to understand various abbreviations and acronyms used in our dictionary. So, dear learners, it is very clear from this SLO after reading this and dissecting it. There are two things. First of all, what is dictionary usage, and then what are abbreviations and acronyms, how they can be used, and what are their meanings. This is the SLO about. Now, move to the next stage. Let's see what is vertical linkage and then brainstorming. And after these two slides, we will learn in deeply about this topic. So move to the vertical linkage. Use dictionary. Yes, English 6. This SLO we have interacted with in these wording. Now, here is brainstorming. When you open a dictionary, do you see short forms like adjectives, ADJ, and V, etc.? Yes, very clearly this question is asking you, have you ever seen such type of the short letters in dictionary whenever you open the dictionary? What do you think they mean? And if you have seen, what are the meanings of these small or the short form of the letters or words? So, dear learners, this is very clear that brainstorming activity connects us with the topic. So, the topic is about short forms, mean abbreviations. So, we are now pretty much connected with the topic. Now, move to the next slide and try to understand it. Yes, this is the main topic, abbreviations and acronyms by using dictionary. Yes, what are the abbreviations? An abbreviation is a short form of a word. Abbreviate means short form of a word. We use abbreviations to save time and space. For example, this is the ADJ. This is the short form. This is the abbreviation of the complete word adjective. In the same case, N is the short form or the abbreviation of the word noun. In the same case, this is V. V stands for the verb. This is the abbreviation of the verb. And ADV. This short form, this abbreviation depicts adverb, is used for adverb. Now, dictionaries use these short forms to help us read meanings quickly. So, this is the purpose. So, dear students, this is very simply, this is abbreviation. Now, I hope so you are pretty much have the concept of abbreviation in your mind. And now onward, whenever you open your dictionary, whenever you see these words in the dictionary, you will sure that these are the abbreviation, and these are the abbreviation which are used to clear our concept. Now move to the next slide. Yes, importance of abbreviation, definitely importance of abbreviation. Abbreviations help us understand what dictionary entries, they save time when reading and writing. This is the second advantage. They show the part of speech of a word. Yes, subject, verb, noun. It means that they are showing the parts of the speech. So, dear learners, this is more information and more clearance of the concept of abbreviation. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, look at this. Abbreviation used in dictionaries. Common abbreviation which are used in dictionaries, that is, N stands for noun, and if we see at the meaning of this word, a naming word. So we now I would like to further explain it. If we take a naming word in the dictionary, it takes a time, and there are what almost three words in that. But if we use simply an abbreviated letter, it means noun, and noun also tells us about the meanings. It means that simple abbreviation has so many things in it. So the same case verb, an action word, adjective. Yes, this is depicting adjective, a describing verb, adverb, and tells how an action happens. And this is preposition, used for preposition, shows relationship. Yes. So these are the very common abbreviation which are used in dictionaries. Now, let's move to the next slide. Yes, dear learners, how see abbreviations in a dictionary? How we can see? Yes, look at this. You can see the word example entry, what the word is happy, and we look at the dictionary, and dictionary will like this in the picture. So we will see an abbreviation in this form, and then feeling or showing pleasure. This will be the further explanation or the short definition of that particular word. So in this way, we can use dictionary and see abbreviation in the dictionary very simply. Now move to the next slide. Yes, look at this. Now we have reached at the acronyms. So, students always remain confused between these two terms, abbreviation and acronyms, because apparently these both words seem or look short forms, but there is a subtle difference. There is a brief and very small difference. Now, let's clear this difference after reading and after understanding the definition of acronyms. An acronym is a new word made by putting together the first letters of other words. It means that in abbreviation, there is just one word, but here in acronyms, there are the letters of so many words. We read acronyms as complete words. So there is another difference. We don't take abbreviations as a complete word, but acronyms can be treated as complete words. Now look at these examples. UNO. Now this is the short form. UNO. United. The short form of United is the first letter of the United is U, and nations first letter is N, and organizations first letter is O. And we are looking at, there are three words initials. The first letters are there, and when they put together, they are a new word has been made by these three letters, that is called acronym. So next one is GPS, global positioning system. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. SIM, subscriber identity module. So these are the acronyms but not abbreviations. So, dear learners, I hope you are pretty much clear the difference between abbreviations and acronyms. Now, move to the next slide. Look at this difference between abbreviations and acronyms. Abbreviation, a short form of one word, example ADJ for adjectives, while on the other hand, acronym, a word formed from initial letters of many words, example GPS for global positioning system. So, dear learners, this is the same thing which we have discussed in the previous slide. So, this is for reinforcement. And now, I hope you have learned and cleared your concept and the difference between what these two terms, that is acronyms, and what short forms, abbreviations. Now, move to the next slide. So there are simulation for you people for your advantage, for your further clarification of the concept. Now, worksheets is also attached with PPT. So these are our resources. PPT is there, and alongside this PPT, worksheets are there, skill sheets are there, lesson plans are for you people, question bank is there for you people. Now, dear learners, it is up to you how you can use these are free resources and how you people enhance your concept and enhance your skills as well. In the end, I would like to say thank you so much. So, this is all about for today's lecture. We will see tomorrow with the new lecture. Till that time, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.